Hey y'all, I was gonna wait till I had my tripod for this, but I decided to make a sharpening video. My butterfly knife. Yes, this is my broken one. So hold on, let me show you how well it cuts paper right now. It's not very good. Yeah, wrong end. It's not gonna cut that. Real serrated, right? I could use this edge. Okay. Yeah, hold on. You can see it sort of tearing the paper instead of cutting it good. And it was alright, but mostly tearing. There's like many serrations on it though. Alright, hold up. Let me try something here. Don't know if this is gonna work. Always try. Okay, there. Alright, this is the coarse side. See that little line in between them, maybe. But anyway, core, fine. Alright. Maybe putting a little bit too steep of an angle on it, but I'm not a very good sharpener. This is not how I sharpen my kukri. I'll share that video later. Not today, but later on. Here's a smoother side. Get on the edge here. Alright. Wipe it off. And no, I'm not done yet. But just for the sake of it, I'm going to show you some sharpening test of it here. A little bit better. I was just basically getting some edge geometry there. But whatever. Okay, man. So yeah, I'm gonna go get the other things I use. Okay, now. No, I'm just kidding. Not this. Not this. I never use this. It has too steep of an angle for me. No, I'm not gonna show you my drawers now. Wow, that sounded way queer than I expected. No homo on that name. I'm not using this either. Fine and coarseness. I am using this right here. This is a Chicago cutlery. Just sharpening steel. My mom bought it with her knives, or kitchen knives, I mean. And this is the other thing. A belt. And no, I'm not gonna use this side. I'm gonna use this side. Okay, now. I do use this and a little bit of this to do my kukri, but I don't use much of that because that can change into a straight edge if you V edge if you don't strap it enough. Anyway, I'm not that focused on it, the V and straight edge, but I like, or the V and convex or whatever. But I like the convex on it. Anyways, here, what I do to smooth it out. I get some hard pressure on it. Most people say medium pressure all the way through. I say hard pressure at first. Get all the little burrs and everything off. About 4 strokes. And then go medium to light. Okay. Now, I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see this. I think I can get it to where y'all can see, but okay. This is how I put my belt. Okay. Wow, it's wanting to twist on me, of course. But anyway. Let me see, that's my leg. Hold one of these in my hand, one of them. One hand holding this, one of them's holding the camera, so. Let me do it like this then. I usually do it like that, but for the sake of showing on camera, I think I'm gonna do it like this. Okay, I'm putting the belt down. And I am gonna strap it like that a couple times, because that is, I know that way works. So I know this way it does it all right, but. And no, I'm not doing this rough. I've seen people, it may look a little bit because it's leather, but no, but I've seen people do it very rough. This is why I don't like to use this, use it down. But y'all saw the way I had it. Sorry, I know y'all can't see this. Some people out there just dying to probably see this. I showed on another one of my videos, especially like my Gurkha kukri. I'm not sure yet if this video or this camera has a lot of distance, so I'm not sure how loud I should be here. I'm talking a little too loud, too soft. Cut me some slack. Alright, there. This camera's putting that a little dark. I guess that light coming through. Okay. Actually, I did this finish with a grinder. It was on a polished finish, but polished finish just looked too tacky. Oh, wow. Horrible. As you can see, guys, not perfect. There it is, a little better, but it can shave. I do not have any hair on my arm, basically. Y'all can hear that popping, and hairs. But hold on, let me get some longer ones off my other arm. Make sure y'all can hear this. Yeah, I can't see it, but. Dang. Alright. Actually, let me see if I can show y'all. Okay. There we go. Can you probably